Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is extra exciting because it's a collaboration with Rebecca Morgan. I'm so happy that she agreed to do this collaboration with me. I asked her if she wanted to do a makeup challenge video with me, and we are going to be doing a full face using only our hands. No brushes or sponges or anything like that. The only exception is like brows and mascara. We didn't want to be looking too crazy. I hope to use a lot of cream products today and just create a really simple, summery, everyday kind of look using my hands. I don't know how this is going to go. I never apply my makeup with my hands, but I thought this would be a fun challenge. And I'm a little red. I've been spending a lot of time digging in my garden so far this morning, hence the crazy hair. I'm going to stop rambling, zoom you in a little bit closer, and get started. I am going to pull my hair back with a scrunchie just loosely. I just don't want it all sticking in all the cream products. Wow, I look ready for the beach already. The only thing I have on my face right now is my moisturizer and SPF. To prime, I am going to use my Touch in Sol No Problem Primer. This is in my Deck of Panning Project Pan. I really like it because it does smooth my skin, but it's not like mattifying like a lot of other pore filling primers I have are. I was inspired to do this by Michaela over on TikTok a while ago, did a full face using cream products, and I am dipping my toes in on the cream product bandwagon. I've been purchasing some, but I haven't actually been wearing a lot. So I figured what better opportunity than to do a full-on makeup challenge and push me out of my comfort zone to get me to use more of these products. For my base, I want something really light and moisturizing and glowy. So I'm going with the ColourPop, I almost said Too Faced, ColourPop Pretty Fresh Tinted Moisturizer. This is a little light for me now, so to add some glow and also darken up the shade a bit, I'm going to use my Drunk Elephant De-Bronzy Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops. This has been really great to use as a mixer. I almost put this on the back of my hand. I guess I'm going to do this. I don't know, full face of regret. I'm just hoping that this blends okay. Okay, I'm gonna mix that together a bit. I just want, well, I'm using a tinted moisturizer. You get the drift. I just want a touch of coverage. I personally, like you guys know, I have a ton of acne scarring, and really it doesn't bother me. I rarely wear a full coverage foundation. I have had acne and acne scarring for over 10 years now. It just is a part of me. It doesn't bother me anymore. So I am perfectly comfortable going out with just a tinted moisturizer. It just helps even out my skin tone, gives me a bit more of like that healthy glow. I do have kind of like dull skin. I got some sun here at the top of my forehead. Once my hair is back down, it will be fine. But the tinted moisturizer isn't really covering the redness. And I forgot my makeup eraser. Uh-oh. That actually blended out really nicely with my hands. I'm very happy with how glowy this looks, how I have just a touch of coverage. For concealer, this is also in a Project Pan, the ColourPop No Filter. This might be a touch heavy for this particular makeup look, so I'm just going to do like just a little. I have a lot of darkness like right in my inner corner, so I did add a little dot there. I'm not going to add additional coverage on my acne scarring or anything like that. Like I said, it doesn't bother me. Again, we have to go in with fingers. I've never done this before. I also always set, especially my concealer, if not my whole face, and I'm not going to today. I have to go out in public after this, so not like out because we're still in lockdown, but I have to go do my grocery pickup. I'm finding it awkward to use my right hand and like reach, I'm right-handed, reach across my face. I am really hating this concealer, honestly, to like as I'm trying to pan it. It's just so dry. How's that look? If you guys don't know who Rebecca Morgan is, she is a fellow Canadian YouTuber. She focuses a lot on cruelty-free and conscious consumerism, which I really appreciate. She always introduces me to new brands, mostly on her Instagram, which I can also have linked down below, along with her channel and her video, of course. She is an amazing project panner, and she comes up with the most amazing, like, grungy, glowy looks. I'm obsessed with the makeup looks that she does. She also inspires me so much with those eyeshadows because she does so well with that project pan and I really do not. Now I'm going in with my Milk Makeup bronzer stick. I have mine in the shade Baked. Is it cheating to like, yeah, I think. I'm going to use my fingers. 2, 1, I don't know what I'm doing. Let's go with 1 just to err on the side of caution. Just adding some warmth. I feel like that actually looks pretty good. I'm really trying to tap and not rub because I don't have much coverage to begin with. I don't want to lift up all of the base product that I just put down. Can't really see my forehead. How does that look? I need a little more bronzer over here. This is blending in really easily. My concern is that my base is already feeling a little bit tacky, and I'm just going to be continually adding cream products. Like I said, I'm new to this cream cheek product. Every time I use a cream cheek product, I always set it with a powder, like with a face powder, and then usually like if I'm using a cream blush, I'm applying a powder blush on top of it. It's just, it makes me feel more confident to know that my makeup is like locked in. I think that looks pretty good. Okay. So far, so good. You guys have no idea how nervous I was to sit down and film. Like, oh, I just smashed that into the cap. Obviously, like, it was my idea and I like brought it to Rebecca, and then I was all hyped for it. She's already filmed hers by the time I'm sitting down to film. And then once I like gathered up my products and sat here, I was like, oh my gosh, what have I gotten myself into? For blush, I'm using my new Ilia multi-stick in the shade Dreamer. I just got this at the Sephora VIB sale. It is a gorgeous like rosy tone. I'm hoping this gives me like a bit of like a sunburnt kind of look. You know what I mean? Ooh, it's looking very sheer. that could be a good thing. Like I said, I'm going for just an easy, glowy summer look. This is much more natural than I thought it would be. This is my first time using it. Putting a bit across the bridge of my nose. I've been really into like minimal blush draping. Like I will bring my blush across the bridge of my nose a bit, but it's not like a very like intense. You know what I mean? Okay, it's not exactly what I thought, but I'm really liking it. It's looking very flattering on my pores and texture. It's healthy and glowy without being shimmery. And it does give that like natural been in the sun kind of look. For highlighter, I want to use a ColourPop Super Shock. I always do that. Shadow. A ColourPop Super Shock Cheek. This is the shade On the Cusp. It was a collaboration with Kathleen Lights. Mine got like destroyed in shipping. It arrived looking even worse than this. I've been loving these Super Shock cheek highlighters. I've been rotating through them in my Partners in Cream project. They just look so great on my textured skin. Beautiful. For brows, to keep on the natural train, this is the Essence Make Me Brow. It has some fibers and a tint, and I do already have pretty full brows. They do have sparse areas, and I like having some hold, so I think this product is the right choice. Okay, now for eyes, something super simple. I have a couple ColourPop Super Shock shadows here in front of me. I figure these are really easy to obviously apply with your fingers and blend out. I picked just a couple of light shimmery type of shades. I have Crimper and Party of 5. This is an ultra glitter. And then the shade that's in my project Pan those eyeshadows, Olympic, from the Raw Beauty Christie collab. And I think I want to use Crimper all over the lid because this does have a bit of a champagne base to it, and Olympic on the inner corner. We'll see. I might end up using all three. It is quite yellow, so I am going to take Party of 5, which is this more pinky shade, and put that on top. I don't know if that did anything. And then taking a little bit of Olympic, again, I'm trying to pan this shade. It's an ultra glitter, and I'm just gonna pop that right on my inner corner. For mascara, I'm using the Ilia Limitless mascara. I've been using this for almost 3 months now, and I'm really, really enjoying it. All right, all we have left is lips, so I need a lipstick. Maybe, like, everything is very soft. Maybe I can do a more vibrant lip. I found something fun. The ColourPop Ultra Matte Lippie Sticks in the shade Poppin, and the e.l.f. lip gloss in the shade Brian. I'm still going to be using just my fingers. This is going to be like a very hopefully, a very soft, like popsicle situation. I do have just lip balm on right now. Oh, it's still very bright. I'm kind of purposefully feathering it out. Look at this. I know I talk about it in every single video, but it's so short. Okay. Now going in with the gloss. It's like a light pink with some shimmer. This smells like Play-Doh. Has it always smelled like Play-Doh? Or has it expired? That is the question. Alright you guys, this is my finished face, full face using only my hands. I had more fun than I thought it was going to be. Like obviously I thought it was going to be fun, a fun challenge, but I thought I'd be like stressed about it. But I'm very happy with how this like easy, fresh, glowy summer makeup look turned out. The lip is more bubblegum pink than I thought it would be, but I kind of like it with just like minimal makeup. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Again, thank you to Rebecca for collaborating with me on this video idea. I can't wait to watch your video. I completely forgot to say this in the intro because I suck at collabs. If you're coming from Rebecca's channel, thank you guys so much for tuning in to my video. I do a lot of project panning content over here, and I would love it if you would subscribe before you leave. If you are a regular watcher of mine, thank you so much, and be sure to watch Rebecca's video as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.